Hello friends, welcome to DevOps training session, and in this video lecture we will learn how to integrate Jacoco code coverage plugins in Maven project. So first we have to go to the manage Jenkins. In that one we have to go to manage plugins section and go to the available, and we have to search Jacoco. Okay, and click the right checkbox option and install without restart. So my Jacoco plugins is going to install in Jenkins. Okay, so plugins install, go to the Jenkins dashboard. The Jacoco plugins is used to measure the number of lines of code are executed during the automation test. So with the help of these plugins, we can improve the code quality and it will reduce the number of bugs, because we can know that one how many lines of a code are not covered in the unit test cases. So we can cover the all the positive and negative scenarios. So with the help of that one, the code quality is improved. Now we have to add these plugins in our Java project in pom.xml file. So let's go to the Git repository, and here I already added this Jacoco plugins. So here the Jacoco plugins is added. So we are using the latest plugin 0.8.3. This is the plugin's name and this is plugin ID. So copy this URL here, project URL, and go to the Jenkins, click on the new item and define the name. Select the freestyle project, click OK, and if you want to give the description, then give this is Java Jacoco, and select the source code management, select the Git option and paste your URL here. So this is the public URL, so it not required ID and password. So let's select the build option. In that one we have to select top 11 Maven target and select the Maven and execute the test cases. This is our goal. And once the test cases are executed, it will generate the report with the help of Jacoco plugins. So after the build is completed, we have to select the post build actions. So here we install the Jacoco plugin, so this option is appear here. So we have to select this option, and once the build is completed, it will generate the exec file. Okay, so we don't need to change here anything now, and just click apply and save and start the build execution. So build is started now, so it execute the all the test cases. Okay, so build is done. Let's go back, and we can see here the new report is generated here. So click on the code coverage trends and it will give the output like this. So we have two sections here. First is overall coverage summary. So it will give the full details of that our project, that how many lines are covered, how many methods are covered, and how many classes are covered in automation test. So let's go to each package. So I'm going to the this package, and in this class, so we can see here, so all the methods and are marked as a green color. So it means that this code are covered in execution of unit test. And let's go back and click on here, and in this class we can see that one is marked as a red color. So this means that this class are not covered. So this kind of report we will get from the Jacoco plugins during the execution of automated automation test. So thank you guys, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.